Are you planning to study in the Netherlands for the 2026 intake? The Netherlands has become one of the top destinations in Europe for Nigerian students because of its high-quality universities, English-taught programs, and clear post-study work options. But before you can travel, you must understand exactly what the Dutch student visa requirements are and how to meet them. Let's go through everything step by step. The first thing to know is that in the Netherlands, international students need a long-stay visa called the MVV and a residence permit known as the VVR. Your Dutch university usually helps you apply for both at the same time through the Immigration and Naturalization Service, IND, so make sure you respond quickly to every request from the school. Before you can apply for the MVV, you must have an unconditional letter of admission from a recognized Dutch higher education institution. This is the foundation of your visa process. You'll also need to meet several key requirements. You must prove sufficient financial means to cover your living expenses and tuition for 1 year. As of 2026, you should budget around 13,000 to 15,000 euros for living costs plus your first-year tuition. You can show this through recent bank statements, a scholarship letter, a sponsor's affidavit with supporting financial documents, or proof that you've paid your tuition in advance. The funds must be clear, consistent, and readily available for use in the Netherlands. Next is proof of identity. You'll need a valid Nigerian international passport with at least 6 months validity beyond your intended stay. Include photocopies of all used pages, including any previous visas. The Dutch embassy also requires academic documents such as your WAEC or NECO certificate, degree certificates, transcripts, and admission letter. If your documents are not originally in English or Dutch, have them translated by a certified translator and legalized at the Nigerian Ministry of Foreign Affairs, followed by the Netherlands Embassy in Abuja. You must also show proof of accommodation, either a hostel booking, rental agreement, or confirmation letter from your university. Include proof of travel insurance valid for your journey and health insurance coverage for your stay in the Netherlands. This can be arranged through your school or a Dutch insurer. For English-taught programs, submit proof of English proficiency, usually IELTS or TOEFL results. Each institution sets its own minimum scores, so check your university's requirement carefully. Another requirement is a motivation letter or study plan explaining why you chose your course, why you selected the Netherlands, and how the program fits your long-term goals. This letter supports your genuine student intent and helps the embassy understand your purpose for studying abroad. When your Dutch university submits your application to the IND, you'll pay the visa fee, about 210 to 250 euros, through the school. Once the IND approves your application, you'll receive a visa authorization letter and schedule an appointment at the Netherlands Embassy in Abuja for biometrics and passport submission. Processing time is usually 4 to 6 weeks, so apply early. At your appointment, bring your passport and visa authorization letter, copies of your admission and financial documents, proof of accommodation and insurance, 2 recent passport photographs that meet embassy standards. After approval, you'll receive your MVV entry visa, which allows you to travel to the Netherlands. Once you arrive, your university will help you collect your VVR residence permit card, register with the local municipality, and activate your student insurance. Remember, Dutch immigration rules require that you maintain sufficient study progress, passing at least 50% of your courses each academic year to keep your residence permit valid. Planning ahead makes the process much easier. Start preparing your documents early and keep all your financial evidence clear and verifiable. If you'd like expert help reviewing your admission or visa file, Law and Visas can guide you through every stage, from university selection to embassy submission. Follow Law and Visas for more practical visa timelines, document checklists, and study abroad tips for Nigerian students heading to Europe.